Hey guys, let's talk allusion in Othello when Shakespeare drops a reference with deeper meaning. Othello calls Desdemona a fair warrior, alluding to mythic lovers and noble women of epic tales. Later, he says she will be whiter than snow and as false as water. That's a biblical style image, purity mixed with betrayal. And Iago, he is full of dark allusions. He calls Othello a blessed pigs and mocking religion and pretending to be pious. Othello also says, like the base Indian threw a pearl away. That's an allusion to colonial tales. He means Desdemona was priceless and he didn't realize it. Allusion in Othello add hidden layers linking love, war, race, and religion in just a few words. Shakespeare doesn't just tell a story, he taps into a whole world of meaning. Thank you so much.